Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Hope you are all fine. So today we are going to start our 9th lecture and we will discuss the topic organisms. So in the previous lectures we have studied some stages that has changed to organisms. So let's see how different organ systems work together in our body. So when different cells, tissues, organs and systems work together, they form a self-sufficient organism. Self-sufficient organism is an organism that does not need any other things except cells, tissues, organs, that they will work together for themselves and form an organism so that it can perform its different functions and its different activities. So they depend on each other and their teamwork keeps us alive. अब ये सब organs, tissues, cells will work together and their teamwork will keep us alive. They are giving us energy by performing different functions by the division of labor. सब काम जो हैं by the division of labor वो करते हैं. If one cell is performing one kind of work, the other cell will perform a different work. If one organ is making a blood like liver and the other organ will perform the function of digestion like stomach. In this way different organs are working together, different organs, tissues and cells work together to form an organism. So cells group together to form tissues. So when this is a cell, this is an animal cell. First we will talk about an animal. So when cells combine together, they form tissues. When similar tissues having same shapes combine together, they will form an organ. So when different organ systems are working together with each other, they will form an organ system. So when different organ systems combine together, they will form a complete organism that can perform their function by coordinating with different organ systems. So in this way, animals have these levels of organizations. So these are the levels of organizations. So first cells, tissues, tissues to organs, then organ system and organism. So let's see how a plant organized to form a plant, how plant cells organize. So first, plant cells combine together form tissues like epithelial tissues, then they form organs. So leaf is an organ of the plant. Then they form organ system containing roots, shoots, stem and leaves. So they will form an organ system. Then they will form a complete organism, a plant having root system and shoot system. So in this way, different levels of organizations of plants are combined together to form a complete plant that performs all of the basic functions that they require. So your homework is to write the answer of the question. So this is your homework. Write the answer of this question on your notebook and learn it also. So that's the end of the lecture. Hope you understand today's lecture. So take care and Allah Hafiz.